Hello kids, so today we will have another short reading tutorial, and this is already beginning reading part 4 with teacher Yumi. So are you ready kids? Let us start. A, R, A, R, R, R. B, R, B, R, bar. K, R, K, R, car. F, R, F, R, far. J, R, J, R, jar. W, R, W, R, war. So let us read it again together. Bar, car, far, jar, war. So please read it alone. Okay, very good. Now let's read some phrases. Okay, we have here sight words. A, in, a, in, the. A, in, a, in, the. And we have also here word from the previous reading tutorial with words with an, that is and man. Okay, let us start reading. A far bar, a far bar. Jar in a car, jar in a car. Man in the bar, man in the bar. Okay, let's read it again. A little bit faster. A far bar. Jar in a car. Man in the bar. Okay, this time I want you to read it. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to sentences. Okay, underline here with a yellow pen are sight words. Red pen are words with the R family. So we will read first the sight words. The, is, in, the. I, have, a. The, is, in. The, is. Okay, again we will read the, is, in, the. I, have, a. The, is, in, the, and is. Okay, let's read together. The jar is in the car. The jar is in the car. I have a car. I have a car. The man is in war. The bar is far. The bar is far. Okay, we'll read it again together, but a little bit faster. The jar is in the car. I have a car. The man is in war. The bar is far. Okay, this time I want you to read it. Good. Okay, now let's read a short paragraph. All the words that are underlined with red lines are words we read a while ago. And words that are underlined with white
With the yellow
pen
pen
are sight words. So we will read first the sight words. Has, a, he, has, a, in, the, is, for, the, in, the, of, the, and is. Okay, those are the sight words. And words that are underlined with pink pen are words that we read from the previous beginning reading tutorial. We have here then, man. Okay, let's read together. A jar in the car. A jar in the car. Dan has a car. He has a jar in the car. The jar is for the man in war. The name of the man is Lar. Okay, we have here long A sound. Then this is read as name. A jar in the car. Okay, let's read again. Don has a car. He has a jar in the car. The jar is for the man in war. The name of the man is Lar. Okay, can you read it alone? Okay, very good. Now let's try to answer some questions about this short paragraph. Okay, number 1. Who has a car? Who has a car? Is it A, Dad, B, Lar, C, Dan? Okay, very good. Dan. What is in the car? So what is in the car? Is it A, jam, B, jar, C, ham? What is in the car? A, jam, B, jar, C, ham? Okay, very good. There is a jar. Number 3, to whom will Dan give the jar? To whom will Dan give the jar? Is it A, Mar, B, Dan, C, Lar? A, Mar, B, Dan, C, Lar. Okay, very good. He is going to give it to Lar. Okay, so thank you kids, and I hope that you learned from today's reading tutorial. And for the beginning reading part 5, this will be the one that we're going to read. We are going to read all the words with short A or with A sound. This will be for tomorrow's live at exactly 12 noon. Then we will read also word phrases. Then after that, short stories and sentences. So once again, this is teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless.